After a long flight, the last thing I want to do is play guess which suitcase is mine at the baggage carousel. They all look the same, right? I used to waste so much time checking tags and almost grab the wrong bag more than once. So I fixed it. I custom made the suitcase label from fabric and added a bright ribbon. Now I can spot my suitcase instantly, even from across the airport. It's a simple, cheap, and zero stress after a long flight. Try it. Thank yourself later. And then I cut 1 inch strips for the frame of the plastic that I'm going to attach it to. This plastic sheet I got from Amazon, link in the description. And it's just one of those plastic that you put over the tablecloth to protect the tablecloth. That's so weird. You're going to cut it to size because later on we're going to put a frame around it to attach to it, and then to attach that part of it to the actual tag. Also not shown here is cutting fabric, however long you want the fabric and however wide you want the ribbon, to make that ribbon to attach to the tag, to attach to your suitcase. So it's up to you, however long or wide you want your ribbon to be. You can make it as big as you want so that it's easy to see at the carousel. Then you do it. For me, I used 3 by 18, I think, for my tail, for my whole ribbon. Now I'm just sewing around this the main part of the tag, but I'm leaving one of the sides open so that I can turn it, clip the ends, and then turn it and push the edges out, the corners out, and stick my cardboard in, fold it, and then I'm going to sew it. For my next trick, I'm going to sew the 1-inch strip around the plastic. Make sure that you're lifting the plastic a little bit because it tends to stick to the sewing machine. And that was the only thing that I was able to do so that it won't stick, because it does tend to stick. It really depends on what plastic you use. For me, because it's the tablecloth, I guess, protection for a tablecloth, it has to stick to whatever it's on top of. And and then I just went around the corners, I folded it over, top stitched it. You can just figure out how to do it. I did it this way the first time and I regretted it because I should have cut just all of the sides and then attach it to the plastic instead of going around the lazy way. So you can figure out how to do it yourself. But it still turned out okay. It wasn't that bad. It's just, a little bit of non-planning to start. But it turned out okay, so I was good with it. Then the next trick is to attach the frame to the actual tag, but you will leave one side open so that you can attach the hardware to it and you have an opening for your card, your information card. Now I'm doing the tail and I just sewed around it, but then at the very end I wanted a little bit of character, so I did it like a point in a pointy style, and just and then when I turned it, it looks like the end of a ribbon. I just wanted, I mean, that was my preference. If you want to do yours a square or just one side like a slice, like in an angle, you can do that too. Really, it's all up to you. So make sure that you leave one side open, otherwise you'll have to like seam rip it, and you don't want to have to do that. So there you go. I think it turned out cute. I mean, I did my husband's way better, around the frame, because you learn from your mistakes, from your experience. So this is where I attach this is for a fob, a keyring fob hardware. And then I just slipped the ribbon through, and then I just tied it to the handle of my suitcase. Look how beautiful my husband's tag is. And now you're ready to go. Bon voyage! Please like and subscribe. Love you. Bye.